this video, we will talk about those important techniques which the film stars, the cricketers, they use to improve their English. Guys, sometimes you have observed, you have seen the cricketers, the new cricketers who are not so well in English speaking, in conversation in English, but after 4 or 5 months or within 1 year, they improve a lot and they can face the camera, they can talk very easily with the media person, and you may be surprised to see their English because just few months back their English was not that good. They face so much difficulty in expressing their ideas, but in a limited time, within such a short time period, how they have improved. What are that magic stick which make a tremendous transformation? So guys, today we will learn those techniques. So let's start and don't miss out any, guys. And today we will talk about those important techniques and tricks which these film stars and cricketers and celebrities use to improve their English, and they can speak fluently in front of anybody, in front of the media, and during the question answer sessions they make it, how these people make it so easy. These techniques help them to improve in short time period. So because our goal is to speak fluently, and the words and sentences which we already know, we use them, and there are some sentences, there are some phrases which are used again and again. So friends, first of all, you all subscribe my channel and like the video and share with your friend. This is like a motivation to us. When we read your comments and you like our video, it is just a motivation and inspiration for us. So please like the video and share with your friends. So friends, just let's start our video. First of all, we will talk about cricketers. You know, when a new player who is not so fluent and who are not so good in English talking, in English speaking, when they came in this field, they have a multiple exposure. They have exposure of media, they have international exposure, they have the senior players, they have the coaches who are from the outside countries, who are the foreigners. Also, you know, cricket is an international game, and it is in the India also. There are so many people who are not Hindi speaking people, who are not Kannada speaking people, because in India there are different languages. English is a language which is known as global language, and most of part of the world are acquainted and familiar with this language. So it is very important for the celebrities, for the cricketers, for the sports person, at least to speak in English. So this is one thing which is in the mind of the players or cricketers who came in this field. We have to speak in English, and it is not a difficult thing. And because from the childhood they are studying, and when they get a chance, an international exposure, their minds start learning small things. Because if I am talking about cricket, because in the cricket there are few things are very common. Like if a person is a batsman, they have to say few things about the batting. If a person is a bowler, they have to say about few things about the bowling, as well as about their opponent team, as well as if the person is a captain, they have to talk about the batting area, the bowling area. So there are few things which are very common, and they can use few sentences again and again. You have seen many times to talking about that. The bowl came very difficult, the weather was like this, the opposite team they played very well, and it was very difficult for us. The players really worked hard for this. These are the some common sentences they always use. Also, as I have said already, there are international exposure, like The coaches are mostly, they speak in English. So if you have to understand your coach, you have to know English. So there is a continuous pressure of learning English, and as well as when the players are in the comfortable time in their resting zone, they speak a lot in English. They understand the game because the players are from different states. For some people who are from South, who may not be so familiar in Hindi, they only understand the English. So it is very important to talk in English when they are together. So this continuous pressure, this makes, as well as some cricketers, some celebrities also hire tutors, trainers who teach them English very well, who teach them how to at least speak in front of the media. These trainers give them some sentences which, at least if they use those sentences, they can face media, they can face the interview. So when we see them, we think they have improved a lot. Maybe they are still continuing on their journey. They are not perfect, but because there are few sentences, few phrases, they are using them with confidence in front of the camera, then as well as they get confidence slowly, within 1 year, within 6 months, because they are very familiar to these things now. Now they don't have in that much hesitation. They have also psychologically they are trained about that. If you have made any mistake, it's not a big problem. At least what you are thinking, you just express. So same thing with us also, friends. We can also learn in this way. We don't have to take so much pressure, because at least we have to learn to express ourselves. This is the biggest problem when we are learning English. We are thinking we are not that much good in speaking English, and if we speak in front of anybody, they make fun of us. So this is a big hindrance in our path. So it is very important to come out of this phase. If people will laugh at me, no problem if you make a mistake, if you're not that perfect, because it's not your language. English is a mere language which is a medium to express your thoughts to the people whom you are talking, to the world whom you want to share your thought. So you just have to think this is just a medium. Don't take it so much seriously. No, I'm not saying that so you don't learn it. You learn it nicely, you train yourself, you do that. But this is the first step to speak. Your training will be only worth when you start speaking, because for the training, this is the first step to speak. So wherever you get a chance, you try to speak. First of all, you overcome this fear of speaking, the judgment, what people will judge me, this judgment fear, the fear of acceptance. Please just come out of this. When you come out of this, you will see the things are changing, the things are molding in a different way, and you are going on a right path. You are what you have wanted for a long time, but you haven't able to do this at this moment. Now when you start speaking, you will feel that, this is my guarantee, you will feel that yes, this is the day, this is my first step. So while you are learning new words, new vocabs, new idioms, new phrases, yes, it's very good, but speak also now. Tutti frutti, broken English, we say it in Hindi, tutti frutti अंग्रेजी, बोलो भाई बोलो, जो भी तुम्हें आता है, whatever comes in your mind, if it is even a broken English, you try to speak, and after that you see what mistake I have done. At least you start from your house, from your home, with your friends. I'm not saying you go at a public speaking place and you start speaking broken English. No, I'm not saying. I'm saying you go there, you prepare yourself well, you take some notes and try to speak. Try to speak there also. I'm not saying don't face the public. You face the public with your notes. in your hand. You go and speak, and if you get stuck at some place, you see your notes, what I have written here. These are the ways to overcome your fear, because this is the biggest loophole in learning English. Unless you will not start speaking with people, in front of the people, with your friends, within the public, you will not get confidence, and that day will never come which will make you perfect speaker. The perfect speaker is the biggest journey, is the longest journey. How will you reach there? It is also said that thousands of miles of distance is start from the first step. Where is your first step? You have to go miles away. How will you reach there? Unless you will not take your first step. So take your first step. That day will never come when you're learning and you're taking training and you're not starting. That day will never come. And now I can speak in public. You have to make that day for you. This is my first day, and from today I will not going to afraid of anything. I will come out of this fear of speaking in public, and you will see the transformation starts from the first day, and that thousands of miles are also not away from you now, because you have taken your first step. And if you have taken your first step, you will reach. Ultimately you have to reach there. Maybe it will take some time, but you have taken at least your first step. So friends, the celebrities, the cricketers, anybody, they have taken their first step. Sometime you can see Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and I have seen a person, Virendra Sehwag. They were not able to speak in English from the initially when they have started in their cricket career. But later on you can see they are so fluent. They have covered their thousands of mile distance because they have taken their first step, because of their international exposure, because of their eligibility, because of their candidature of that international platform, because they are deserving. So now they have provided with everything, the training, the coaches, everything is there to train them. But that person have to learn also now. That person is also responsible who are in that journey. So we have to appreciate that also. But if you don't have that international platform, you have to prepare an international platform for yourself. Whenever you get a chance to speak, you just jump out there. Don't fly away from there. Just jump out there. This is the time to speak. Anything, 2 lines, even 2 lines are more than anything. At least you have started. I don't want to make a long video because it's already 15 or 16 minutes have taken place. I just want to share one important thing which I think you have got what I wanted to share. I just want to say you one thing. Just start your journey. This is the day when you have to start. So guys, I just want to request you, because I have also faced these problems. But trust me guys, I have taken my first step very early in my career, very early, and really I get benefited by my first step. Wherever I am today is because of that first step. So guys, whoever is listening me, my friends, please don't wait. Don't wait. I know many of you have already taken your first step and you are far away from the first step now. But I want to say to those people who are still have fear and who are still afraid of taking their first step because of the fear of the society, because of the fear of the people, what might they say, I just want to say you one thing. They don't have to do anything with you. They will make your fun either this way or that way, because these people never want you to grow. So whenever you take your first step, whenever you will start speaking or doing anything new, these persons always make fun. These people always judge you. So don't listen of anybody. You just start. When you will start on this journey, you are a different person, and you have already answered, you have already give the slap on them. So don't worry about them. You start your journey, and there's no need to think about others, because we don't have time. We believe in growth, we believe in development. So for our personality development, for we want to progress, it is very important to take care of myself, to take care of yourself. So with these words, I'm just finishing my video and hoping you all will take your first step who haven't taken yet, and those who are far away, and they keep going because they are very close to their target. They are very close to their aim where they wanted to reach. They will be fluent speaker, they will be fearless speaker, and they will be lovely person who will be loved by everybody. So guys, if you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. So friends, just enjoy the English speaking, and see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you very much for watching.